Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to take a journey into the realm of AI and GPT technologies. We'll uncover how these digital advancements are impacting our daily activities, reshaping industries, and yet still falling short in mirroring human nature. We'll also explore their role in the physical world, focusing on maintenance, manufacturing, and construction industries. So, stay tuned as we unravel the layers of disruption caused by these technologies and shed light on the underappreciated importance of our physical world. Now, let's dive into AI and GPT technologies. Once simple search engines, now demonstrating near-human capabilities. They can accept both text and image inputs, pass many standardized tests, including scoring within the top 10% of the bar exam, and even write a poem on an extremely technical topic. This is all fascinating, but it's crucial to explore their impact on both our digital and physical worlds, what it means for our future, and which aspects of our human nature they can never replace. AI and GPT technologies are quickly becoming an integral part of our digital lives. Whether we realize it or not, these technologies have already made significant strides into our daily digital activities. Remember those clunky automated phone trees in customer service centers? Well, they're quickly being replaced by voice assistants that sound more like a real person. Sometimes it's hard to tell if you're talking to a human or AI on a support line. Moreover, AI and GPT technologies are permeating every industry, potentially affecting jobs and workflows in ways we've never seen before. According to a recent study by Cornell University, approximately 80% of the U.S. workforce could have at least 10% of their work tasks affected by the introduction of GPTs, while around 19% of workers may see at least 50% of their tasks impacted. However, while these technologies are transforming our digital world, they're not quite affecting the built world in the same way. We're not yet surrounded by robots that repair our electrical lines, build our houses, or fix our industrial boilers. Instead, AI technology in the built world is more complementary. Predictive maintenance technologies use sensors to monitor things like temperature or humidity around the clock, helping technicians pinpoint repairs and maintenance at the exact time they are needed. The construction industry, for example, relies on computer-aided design technologies for creating blueprints or scheduling or safety assistance, but still depends on construction workers and equipment to create physical structures. The truth is, it's much easier to work with things like bits and bytes, speech to text, and text to text, compared with moving atoms and things in the physical world. Companies like Boston Dynamics are working hard to bring us there, but applications in the physical world are much farther into the future compared to AI and GPT applications in the digital world. Now let's talk about something that's been bothering me. We seem to undervalue the physical world and the people who maintain it. We all depend on our roads, bridges, buildings, and utilities daily, yet maintaining this critical infrastructure often gets pushed aside for the digital world. We've been so consumed by the rapidly developing innovation in software that it's easy to forget about the physical world. For years, society has looked down upon students pursuing trades over university educations. They are still often seen as second-rate or simply not smart enough to get a college degree. This attitude has resulted in high-level skilled trade positions sitting empty, while a survey of 1,000 Americans with a university or postgraduate degree reported that 25% are making under $30,000 per year. Communities are struggling to find enough skilled workers to help keep their physical infrastructures up and running, especially after events like winter storms. It's high time we change how we think about our built world and the people who work in it. As we watch how AI and GPT evolve and affect our digital world, let's remember to give our built world and the people who create and maintain it the respect they deserve. These technologies are unlikely to fulfill all of the industry needs in the physical world for at least the foreseeable future. They are more likely to be tools for humans to work more efficiently, smarter, and safer, especially in highly physical industries like maintenance, manufacturing, construction, and the skilled trades. In the future, technologies will likely support idea generation stages, not actual execution, and priorities should focus on developing solutions that can better protect human life. For example, technology developments should prioritize making the construction site safer or minimizing required maintenance in riskier environments. While it's hard to predict what the world will look like in the next several decades, one thing is certain: AI and GPT can never replace our need for human-to-human interactions. What makes us human is our desire for real personal and professional relationships, caring mentors, and in-person opportunities to connect with one another. No matter what happens, AI and GPT cannot deliver that in any real way. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the impact of AI and GPT technologies on our digital and physical worlds, and the importance of valuing our built world and the people who maintain it. Remember, while these technologies are transforming our digital lives, they still have a long way to go in the physical world. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep is helping maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit upkeep.com.